And we're back to learning CapCut. Let me show you how to create a donut text effect. It's easy to do with inbuilt features that are currently free. Let me add a background here. I'll just use the first black one that's inbuilt in the library. Then switch to text, add the default text. We go to text, basic first. I change it to donut text. Doesn't really matter what font it is. You can change that here if you want to under basic. But make sure that the text element is active so that you can actually access that. I'll go to effects for it. And again, doesn't matter what effect it is, it works on all. But let me use one of these neon effects. That's okay. Then switch to animation, loop. And here I have to scroll a little bit. Right, here's the donut, download it, then left click on it, and it'll be added. Default speed is a little bit too fast for me. To re-access it and change that, left click on the text element in the timeline, switch to animation loop, and then you should see speed at the bottom right here. And make that as slow as it can be, 3 seconds. And that's all there is. Obviously you don't have to use a black background, you can also add your footage below if you want to, or a photo. Hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.